Hello everyone! I can't wait to share with you this beautiful and unique 18 karat yellow gold beads. And in today's video, I'm gonna share the design ideas using this gold beads and the high quality nephrite. The first design, 7mm green nephrite round beads, 18 karat yellow gold bead charm. This charm is handmade with a high-quality Mexican blue amber embedded in the middle, and the colorful cubic zirconia stones around the blue amber. And then there is a Chinese character, "gut," on the back, meaning good fortune. This unique square shape is perfect for making DIY jewelry such as bracelets, necklaces, and rings. The second design, I'm gonna use one piece of this stunning 18 karat yellow gold with green nephrite setting. Heart shape bead charm. The top quality 4mm green nephrite will make your jewelry stand out and be the envy of all. And 2 pieces triangle nugget beads, also in 18 karat yellow gold. They will give a luxurious touch to the bracelet I'm gonna make. Okay, I will use green color elastic cord to make this bracelet. 2 cords. Open end needle. And we start to thread the beads. Some people ask me how many cords is the best to make an elastic bracelet. In fact, it depends on how big the hole of the bead is. Generally, use more cords as you can. Let's say the hole is big enough to pass through 4 cords, then you use 4 cords. The more cords you use, your bracelets will last longer. Okay, and thread the nugget. And then 2 or 3 nephrite beads. I prefer 2 this time. And then the heart-shaped charm. And then 2 nephrite beads and 1 nugget. Okay. That's how you make the bracelet. And then tie 2 knots or 3. Okay, and then cut the cord, but don't cut it all. And then you hide the knot in the hole. Okay, and it's done. These designs are perfect as Mother's Day gifts. What do you think? Get creative with your jewelry making and make your fashion statement unique with these beautiful charms. They are all available at DIY Notion store. Okay, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.